Hello everyone, I myself Professor P.S. Rathod, working as an assistant professor in All India Sri Shivaji Memorial Society's Institute of Information Technology. Today we are going to discuss about the orthographic projections. In the previous lectures, we have discussed about the basics of the orthographic projections and the meaning of the orthographic projections. In the today's discussion, we are going to discuss in details about the orthographic projections of for the views various types of the machine elements or the machine drawings. Here you can show you can see the pictorial presentation is given here, and you should have to draw the three views of this object by first angle projection method. This is the object, this is a front view of this object, this is a top view of the object, this is a side view of the object. And in case of drawing on the plain sheet of paper, here first of all you should have to draw the one xy reference line. Above the xy reference line there is a horizontal plane, below the xy reference line there is a vertical plane, and on the reference of reference line xy there is a profile plane. We call it as a two types of the side view, left hand side view and the right hand side view. In the second example, see the object, mechanical object in this way. Here is also the various color pictorial projections are there. uh, for the directions you are looking for the front side, this is the pink color direction, and this you are getting the image on the uh, vertical plane, that is we call it as the front view. On the top side, this is the faint greenish part you are looking by observing from the top view. The image you will get on the horizontal plane, we call it as a top view, and there are some hidden lines are there, means the object is having some hidden sides. These are drawing with the help of some uh, symbolic representation. In case of drawing any object which is not visualized but it is hidden, that hidden part in this part is hidden is drawn here, and this cutting side we can draw here hidden, and it is looking in the top view. And in also front view also some hidden line we draw here, and in the left hand side view this hidden part we have drawn here in this way. These are the various three views are there. In the next problem, this is again the another object you can observe here, and these are the various views on the reference plane. By converting this three dimension drawing in a 2D views, this is again another example. We will share these examples to you afterwards, and you can also do practice how to draw these various views, that is front view, top view, side view, in this way. This is another object having some mechanical object, typical object. This is looking or the direction to look the front view, and you will get the image on the vertical plane in such a way. In this is the front view. Looking from the top side, you are looking this faint greenish line in this way, and these two parts, these two components you are looking here in this way. This is a top view, and this is a side view of the object. In the next example, you are this looking the object in this direction, that is a front view. You are looking this front view in this way. For the top view, you are looking this side, and these two sides are there. And in the side view, you are looking these sides in this way. Here is the another that study illustration of the orthographic projections. Some in such various type of the objects you should have to draw with the help of some dimensions. Here dimensions are given. Suppose on this xy line there is a front view looking from this direction. You are looking this side, and some height is given here, that is 50, and these two dimensions, this one and this one, that is suppose 25 and 20. This 25 and 20, by drawing this on the xy line, that is the 45 line and 50 line, and by joining this point to this point, you will get a front view. And again one line that is at a distance of 25, we are going to touch here. And in looking from the top view, you are getting the image in such a way that having the distance 45 and this 20 and this 25 in such a way. This draw the three views of the object by first angle projection method. In the next example, see the various views drawn. This is also one of the another example. This is a typical example of orthographic projection. All views are here. All views are identical: front view, top view, and side views. And this is a pictorial. Sorry, it is a two-dimensional representation of the front view, top view, and side view. This is again the next object. You are looking here. This is the direction to observe this front view. This is the left hand side view. Here only two views are there to draw. Here asking draw front view and side view of this object, then only you should have to draw the front view and the side view with all the dimensions are there. Whatever you are looking, these various views are there. Then in this figure, here draw the front view and top view of the object by first angle projection method. Then this is a three-dimension object, and you should have to draw on the reference line the looking the direction in the front view and looking the direction on the top view. These are the two views you are looking. This is another example. This is another example. You can draw the various views of this object. This direction shows the front view. This direction shows the side view. As per the question, draw front view and side view of the object by first angle projection method. This is a actual drawing. We are drawing on the two sides of the paper. This is a another another object which is drawn in such a way in the sheet of paper. Draw front view and left hand side view of the object by first angle projection method. And this is the actual drawing of this orthographic projection. Thank you. I hope you might have studies about the orthographic projections.